Hey guys, welcome. So let's talk about Fourthwall Print on Demand. So this is a tutorial video and also consider this a review as such. Okay, so one of the best, absolutely the best support for your online platforms out there, may it be YouTube or Meta or Facebook or just an e-commerce platform. Basically this it's a game changer, basically, Fourthwall, because it really helps you up to par with managing your sales and managing everything like social media platforms, like everything. So let's say you're trying to create a new design or sell something, or just sell digital product that you have. So let's just go with tangible product that you actually, let's say you got from a e-commerce platform where you're using a third-party dropshipping style. Okay, so let's say you're creating yourself a product off the bat here, shirt, and let's just see how this compares to the other apps that the other platforms that I actually used in terms of creativity on this one. So in here, I've actually pre-searched this, and I've never used this before, but it's really similar to Printify. Okay, if you've used Printify, you can just customize. Look at this. The shirts change colors here, so no matter what color you actually choose here, you could actually edit that one here on the circles here, the color circle. So let's say it's brown, see, black, back red, and not just only that. So again, we're going to be giving this a review on how this actually compares to other platforms similar to this, like Printify. So let's just start to create our own design here. So once you create your own design, you can just upload an image here, select on your local file, and input it here on the actual product, and then click here. Okay, so again, let's just try to customize the colors here a little bit. Let's add an image on top of that, and then let's just go ahead. So in here are the dimensions, and this is our add or remove the colors, basically. So once you've settled down with an actual color, then you can just basically preview, or just look at the sides here. Sleeve left, click here. I'm searching something from my local file here, so just give me a sec, guys. You can't see this. Here we go. So this is a free stock image that I picked online. So let's say, for example, if you have a product, or you have a something that you want to input here on the shirt and on your product design, you could just basically insert an image here, adjust the sizes, see, 12 by 16, and it'll be initializing and rendering. It'll take a couple of minutes to actually do this, but we're not going to do that. At least you get the idea on how to actually do this, because it's going to take us quite some time if we actually wait this out. So that's just it before you actually publish. So that's one of the key features of Fourthwall. Okay, so that's just it. You can adjust the pricings here. So $15.95, $15.95. So here's my account here. It's absolutely free. I designed this, and it's actually very complementary to the TikTok shop that I just showed you. Yeah, just basically a really good platform to, especially if you're a newbie, guys. So there's a lot of things here like theme. You could create your own theme on this platform here. These are pre-made templates so that you guys could see. So let's just choose a template here. Let's choose this one. Okay, so this is actually editing your the face of your site here, basically. So start with this theme, click on that one, so for it to load here. Installing in progress. Just wait for it a little bit. Here we go. So in here, you could absolutely do a lot of things here, like product selling, or you'll make this the actual front page of a website that is already pre-made for you. The stock images is there. You don't have to do anything. You could edit text, image banner, and in here you could just basically edit the header here. So it's just my name here on top of here. Okay, you can add text. You could image with text. You can image, click on images with text, and this one is actually free. And perhaps the key thing that I've noticed about this platform is that the images with stock images, with actual people, you don't actually have to go and purchase on the stock market, or just do the online hassle yourself where you have to actually find free ones. It's actually here. See these models right here, and yeah, the templates are right here. You can just add in the products, new releases, like a hoodie, a t-shirt, for example. You could adjust the price, and yeah, outline style. So overall, this is a very, very good platform to use, especially if you're a beginner on or intermediate in terms of design creation, original design creation. So in here you could basically select the fonts of your header, or basically whichever part of the pre-made template. Okay, so in here, matte tone, you have Moses display, we have Montserrat. Matte tone is actually good for design. And also, you just don't forget that you can also customize the colors here, guys. So header, again, let's do a quick review here. Image, you could basically click on the images, image banner, image text, and this is the actual outline of your what's really it's about, your platform or whatever it is, whatever website you're trying to publish. Could also do listings here. I'm just trying to sell car listings, but we'll get to that in another video. But this one, you just basically improvise whatever you put in here, and you could put your marketing skills to the test here. So yeah, that's basically it. So overall, I give this platform an 8.5 out of 10. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, guys, and have a nice day, y'all.